Wash hands with salt to change your life if in debt. If life's stuck, nothing's flowing positively. Negative energies are circulating in your life. These powerful techniques will open up your life. We have these powerful ingredients here. Do this technique once a month. It can be done any day of the month. It'll remove all negative energy around you. The first ingredient we'll use is coarse salt. Many don't realize coarse salt is a powerful cleanser. Rub a pinch of salt in your hand as if washing. While washing, imagine problems leaving your body. After that, let's move to the second ingredient. Do the same process. Put a pinch in your hands. Next, wash your hands with cinnamon powder and visualize all the positive things you want in life. Good things, positive things. Washing hands with cinnamon is a practice that, beyond its physical benefits, can have spiritual meanings in various traditions. Here are some possible spiritual benefits associated with using cinnamon. Purification and protection. In many cultures, cinnamon is considered a powerful purifying agent. Washing hands with cinnamon can symbolize cleansing negative energies and protection from evil influences. In prosperity traditions, cinnamon is often linked to abundance and wealth. Cleansing rituals, like hand washing, can be seen as a way to attract luck and financial success. These spiritual benefits, though based on traditional beliefs, can be meaningful for those who practice them. This way, you attract more health, prosperity, and peace. There are many ways to use salt. You can attract positive energy to your home. Do you believe in these things? Many people only use salt for cooking. However, salt has a secret that can change your life. It can remove negative energy from your home and business. Cut a lemon in half and cover it with salt. I'm doing the same thing here. Next, use a garlic clove to expel odors and fluids. What about the fluids? We'll put a garlic clove on top of this container. Add bay leaves to bring positive energy to your body. Place this near your bed, door, at work, or in your car. This will remove heavy energy from all aspects of your life. Did you like our tip today? That's it. If you've watched this far, share and comment. What city are you watching this video from? Thanks for watching.